Chicken soup has an almost mythical status among soups. It's even thought to have special healing properties. Think of the Chicken Soup for the Soul books. In the 12th century, a Jewish philosopher and physician named Maimonides recommended chicken soup as a health remedy in his book on causes of symptoms. Centuries later, in the 1970s, doctors at Mount Sinai Medical Center confirmed Maimonides was right. Their study concluded that chicken soup does have scientific benefits. Chicken contains a natural amino acid called cysteine, and cysteine bears a remarkable chemical similarity to a drug called acetylcysteine, which is prescribed to patients with respiratory infections. There are countless versions of health-giving chicken soups from around the world. Avgolemino in Greece, miyoku in Korea, and groundnut stew in Western African countries. At Cook's Country, our version of old-fashioned chicken noodle soup is simple and comforting.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.